Die Cutting Essentials. This is issue 56. This is not just a magazine from our friends at Practical Publishing, but it also has special goodies. And as you would expect, it has cutting dies. You can see that there are 14 pieces. What might be harder to see is that this is actually Season's Greetings. You can kind of see it down here a little bit better. Noel is the other word that's included. But then we have pine cones, we have holly, we have sprays of evergreens, we have a bow, we have poinsettia. Really a nice package of cutting dies. This is from the Simply Made Crafts brand at Practical Publishing. And then the magazine always does a wonderful job of showing us how to use them. And I've tabbed a few of the ones that caught my eye. I like the fact that they take you from the beginning. So what's a good way to use your cutting die? Just some basics about using it, and that's wonderful. Then we're going to go into this whole parts of the issue are going to focus on this cutting die. They're calling it Festive Foliage, and you can see the collection of projects, but then you get step-by-step instructions. Now they're either in centimeters or they're in inches. But in any case, they're going to be complete and they're going to walk you through how to make the projects. Here's another section. Now they call this a master class. This happens to be in fancy folds. So even though these are not using the dies, they are great information for you. So you can see again up close and personal how to make the different types of cards, the explosion that they have on the inside, some other fancy folds, perfect name for it, and a perfect way to really just give you more techniques to use in your card making. Now, Helen Griffin is the artist behind the Simply Made Crafts, and here she's giving you some other ideas, all in a palette of very wintry blues and silvers, so you can see those. Again, more information, more step-by-step. There will be other companies and other projects shown in the magazine. Of course, there will be ads, but it's really also nice to get all of this information in one piece along with the cutting die. Now, this is saying that the Season's Greetings can be used year-round, and while you may not use the word Season's Greetings in Noel, those flowers, those leaves, they're going to do some really nice things for you. And here it is also just really stacking those pieces. Again, just how to make them work for you. Here are some more ideas. I love the wreath, and isn't that just elegant? Very, very nice. Here are some more ideas. This is the bokeh effect, and now that is dots, and in this case they're using tissue paper, and that's a nice idea. You can also use the containers for the luster polishes, and those work beautifully because they're already a circle. So lots of ideas there. You may want to adopt those and figure out ways of using them. Well, that's what we have for Die Cutting Essentials issue 56 and those wonderful cutting dies that come with it. All in stock, and we're delighted to say these are a Paper Wishes exclusive.